In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at a rather new feature in Canva, which we've been waiting for quite a long time. And this new feature will let you add automatic page numbering to your designs. So I have this Canva template open here, and as you can see here, it has 10 pages. Now, what you can do with your design open, if you go to text, you can now see page numbers under dynamic text, and it's an automatic page numbering. If you click this, you can see Canva adds page numbering for you for all your pages, but you can also adjust some things. Here in the page numbers options, you can choose if you want numbers only, page plus number, or page X of Y. So if you adjust this, let's say you want page 1 of 10, then you click apply properties to all pages. It will do this for all your pages. You can say numbers only. And then in numbers only, you can choose which pages you want to have numbered. And let's say you do not want page 1. So page 1 is now gone. So if you miss this window, you just click your page number and then it will appear again. So now I'm going to move this page number for page 2 and I will click apply properties to all pages, and then it will change that for all my pages. Now, if you have your page number selected, you can also edit your size and your font and then apply to all pages again to have it apply to all your pages. But this is a really nice new update which lets you add automatic page numbering to your files. No longer the need to make a little square and then number the pages yourself. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.